Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy T-bills on Treasury direct. Now this is going to be a very quick and simple video, so make sure you watch this all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. Now the first thing you want to do is actually head over to treasurydirect.gov's website, and when you get to the homepage it should look something like this. Now from here what we want to do is either create an account or go ahead and log into our account which we've already made in the past. So if you've already got an account you can go ahead and click login here. And you can click next to log in. However, if you don't already have an account, we can click create a new account here. And then we just have to go through these 3 steps in order to take our account. And it should only take about 10 minutes. So you first need to choose the type of account that you're opening, then provide some personal information. And then you have to do the following, such as your password, security questions. So when you're ready to get started with that, you can go ahead and click apply and then fill out all these details. And then from there, once you're logged in, you just want to go to this tab at the top that says buy direct. From there, it'll show us everything we can buy. And since we're trying to buy T-bills, we want to go to the top one which says bills. And here we can buy these short-term securities of 1 year or less. So you want to tick that circle next to where it says bills and then go ahead and click submit. And then from there, you can go ahead and finish your order. And once you've done that, you will have successfully bought T-bills on Treasury direct. So I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. And like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.